sa VAT, sa value-added tax.
Ayon sa aming obserbasyon, tumataas ang presyo dahil sa tax at sa inflation rate.
Pag mataas ang supply, baba ang presyo. Kapag mababa yung supply, mataas yung presyo.
Bakit po may taxes? Bakit namin?
It started with an idea. Through to our advocacy.
To alleviate poverty through education and good governance.
To harness the potentials of young economists.
To invest in community development. To develop leadership. To aspire for a brighter Philippines. And now, we are gearing towards excellence.
Through economic consciousness.
This is the Artnet's Economic Society, changing the world, one discussion at a time.
Hindi ko kaya! Hindi ko kaya! Ulit! Tuloy-tuloy na lang natin.
What is wrong?